All right, who's ready for SPY to crash after the presidential inauguration? Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. But look at this. We got our call sign today, guys, just like we did there. And that is awesome. Guess what else happened, guys? We broke the trend. Remember, 1, 2, 3, and floor. Actually, we're taking off, guys. Okay. We had the buy signal down there, and then now we have the call signal, and it is looking super pretty. Let me show you what else happened with SPY. We got super close, guys, to beating this previous resistance here. Check it out. Okay. I mean, you talk about by the hairs on your chinny chin. There it is, guys. But what's going to happen on Monday? Well, Monday, we're going to swear in a new president. And then on Tuesday, the stock market is going to open up, guys. And guess what? That's right. Look at that call signal. Look at the average spike. We're not even close, guys. We're not even close to filling that. Okay. And I said in the previous videos, guys, we're going ahead up to 600. And then my target is 615 for now. So we'll be up here in this area. Okay. We almost got there today. So I hope you guys loaded up with the correct option contracts you guys like to play. Okay, so right now SPY is looking super bullish and headed back to test a new all-time high, in my opinion. Now let's take a look at QQQ, Nvidia, and SPY, guys. I want you to know something about QQQ. Even though tech moves this the most, but look at this move, guys, from pre-market to the opening, $10 move up. It's got an amazing ATR. And let's check out Nvidia all the way to the top today. It made a $4.99 move. Let's just call it $5. And SPY from yesterday's close, guys. I mean, this is super, super amazing how high these guys got. I mean, God, look at that. We're looking at $7. Nope. Let me move this back down. We're looking at $7.85, guys. Okay. And they all look the same. That's right. Because if you understand Wall Street, the algorithms tell them to buy right behind Nvidia. And again, guys, I am going to give you a swing trade, guys. Check this out. We didn't have this signal at the beginning of the day. We had the buy, and I was waiting for that call signal, and sure enough, there it is. It took 4 hours, but we got 2 green candles, and they closed just a little bit higher than what I thought, guys. And if you didn't get in this trade, guys, okay, you have plenty of time. Now, I'm going to switch this over to the daily. And on the daily, we still don't have our call signal, but we have it on the 4 hour. And the beautiful part about the 4 hour is that we can enter the trade early. Okay. If you know how to buy options, guys, you know that this might get filled right here. Check it out. $76, guys. Okay. And I'm going to take it up just a little bit higher to that highest resistance. Okay, that's $82. So let's look at 76 to 82. You have your swing alert. Well, what's going to happen after the inauguration? If Netflix pops up, you will still have time. But you want to look for the pullback, guys. When it comes up, it's going to come back down. You catch it on the pullback. But this requires a good option contract. If you want to know what contract that is, guys, all you got to do is click on the link below in the description, join me in the bull ring, and I will show you how to do it. And if you guys are getting value from these videos and you're getting value from the swing trades I'm giving you guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified when the next video is coming out. And if you like the video, guys, okay, give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, guys. Now let's take a quick look at Apple, guys. We do have our buy signal down here, but we still don't have a call signal. You guys know how I roll, guys. If you don't have the call signal, you don't jump into the trade. It's that simple. You don't have a trade. But it's still looking bearish, but I think they're going to try to squeeze it out. Hopefully next week, all the catalyst that's going on, guys, is going to help Apple get back up. All right, so I want to follow up on the next swing trade I gave you guys a couple of days ago. We have Tesla, where we got the buy signal, guys. We got the call signal. And since we got that signal, how far has Tesla gone up? Wow, $36, guys. I hope you caught that. Now, we have something even more special with Tesla, guys. We have the call signal on the daily, which means we can make it back up to 465, which would give us a $62 in return as far as our deltas are concerned. So if you bought a call a couple days ago like me, and if you bought one at the close today like me, you're probably going to be all right, guys. Remember, link in the description, guys. You learn how to do all this really, really fast. All right. And we also have news, guys, that TikTok is banned and they might be shut down on Sunday, guys. Okay. That means that Mr. Zuckerberg and team are going to prosper from that shutdown. Okay. Now, they had some rejection here, guys, and they started to come back up. And if you don't know how to use rays, guys, you need to learn how to use them. They are cool as you know what. Okay, so we started going down yesterday, and this orange line represents the golden zone on Meta. And now they're back above the golden zone, guys, and check out that strong ass candle. I still have my targets for Meta, guys. 636. 651 is target 2, and if they keep going, we'll score a home run right at 670. Okay, this can be affected, guys, by that TikTok ban. We'll see on Tuesday morning, but it doesn't hurt to start to dabble with calls. And remember, you have a lot of room to still jump in next week. Okay, if you open up the market and these guys are up 15, 20 bucks, okay, no worries. Check this out. The home run is right at about $45, $46 up. You can still make some money. Okay. And another thing that's going to be affected by the Trump campaign, the Trump administration, guys, is that working from home from government workers is not going to happen anymore. Okay. So that's been out of the news for a while. So the people that work for the government that are being laid off are not going to be able to use Zoom anymore. So those are lots of contracts that are going to be canceled. And I knew that. I hope you knew that. And if you don't, you still have time, guys. I promise you, next week, you still have time to do what I'm doing. And that's shorting the fuck out of this stock. Okay. This stock is going to plummet. Check it out. It's still falling in the aftermarket, and it has a weak ass support line right in there, guys. Okay, that's not gonna last. That's not gonna last. This is a company that's just been eating and eating and eating for free. Okay, it's not going to happen. Now I'm going to take you over to the weekly, and on the weekly we did get, oh yes, we got that sell signal, guys. The market is not lying. And we have crossed this line, guys. And you can see once we get under this green line, they're not stopping. Look at the history of us. When we cross that line on the weekly, look at the history. That's right. They are going to have their lunch handed to them. So you still have time to short the heck out of this stock. Is that what I said? The heck? Because I don't want to curse on here, guys. That's not cool. Anyways, so we have another $21 before they find any real support. You might say, well, this is support here. As soon as they start announcing how many contracts are being canceled, you will see this stock. If they get lucky, they will stop here. If not, whoosh, they're going to see the bottom, guys. But you play you, okay? Those are your options. You do what you want. I already started shorting the heck out of this thing, okay? And it's looking good so far. So I will provide an update this weekend, guys. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about some other Trump stocks, okay? It's not over. If they start running like we think they will, you will have a chance to jump in on Tuesday. And again, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and the notification so you know the next video is coming. I'm wishing you guys a great weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday, and hopefully you are green.